Math Module 5, Lesson 1. I can explore volume by building with and counting unit cubes. Make sure everything I do in the video, you're doing in your workbook. This is a cube, and so when we are measuring this and we're finding its volume, we're going to say cubic units or cubic centimeters. And the reason why we use the word cubic is it's 3-dimension, meaning it has a length, a width, and a height. So it's got 3. So it could be cubic unit, like I said before, meaning I'm not sure what measurement I'm using. It might be cubic centimeter, meaning the lengths are based on 1 centimeter. And I could also write that as unit cubed, so these are synonymous, or centimeters cubed. So cubic means it's 3 dimensions. Unit is what measurement, so centimeter is the specific measurement. I could do it in inches. So cubic inches, cubic feet, they all mean I'm measuring 3 dimensions. Problem number 1. What I'm going to draw, you are drawing. All right, try to use straight lines as best as you can. So what would be the volume? So V equals, so how many cubic centimeters are there? Because on your grid, they're actually based on centimeter units. So what is the volume of that? It's 2 cubic centimeters. I have 2 cubes there. So the volume, how much space is it taking, is 2 cubic centimeters. Problem number 2. So draw the diagram that I'm drawing. Make sure you're connecting your dots, please. Now, what is the volume of this figure? So it's 3-dimensional, so I'm finding volume because there are cubes of them. I see a length, I see a width, and I see a height. So what is the volume? How many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 cubic centimeters. So the cubic is the flying 3. The centimeters is the measurement that I know my cubes are. Number 3, we're going to need a little more room. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to go down 1, diagonal 2. This one's got a little more, or quite a few more pieces. So slow and steady. If you need to pause, do it. All right. Take your time. That's what Mrs. Cole's doing. Slow and steady wins the race. And make sure you're connecting the dots because it starts to look wonky when you're not connecting your dots, just like I just did. Because it's very hard to do on my piece of equipment. Oops. So, what is the volume? How many cubic centimeters? Well, I could actually do this a few different ways. I could count kind of by layering in front, middle, back. I could do it by layers from the bottom upward. So either way works. I tend to see this in like steps. So the front, the middle, and the back. In the front, I have 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So volume equals 6 plus. Now in the middle, I can immediately see 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. However, I have another column of that because here's 1. And then I know that below that I must have 2, 3, and 4. Because even though they're hidden, I know that this top one must have the other 3 below it. So 4 plus 4 is 8 plus. So now let's do the back. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the first column, and I know the column to the right has the same number. So 5 plus 5, or 5 times 2, is 10. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 10 is 24 cubic centimeters. Well, now let's think about this in layers from bottom to top. So in the bottom I have 1, 2, 3. Then I do another row of it, 4, 5, 6. And then second row, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 again. And the third row, I have 1, 2, 3 in the front, 1, 2, 3 in the back. I can only see the first one in the back, but I know that it's got to have the same number as the first row of it. So 6 plus 6 plus 6. However, that's only my first 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm on this row. So I've got 1, 2, 3 that I can see, and then there's 1 hiding under that. So 2 in the front, 2 to the back. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And now my top row just has 1, 2. So let's add this. 6 plus 6 is plus 6, or 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 22 plus 2 is 24 cubic centimeters. Now, if I'd gotten 2 different answers, that would have told me I had the wrong answer in one of them. So make sure you take your time counting. Even though the middle and the back have some hiding because of this front section, you still have to count them. So take your time.